Perfect. Really good. Galing. Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today, we're preparing Wagyu steak with a side dish of cucumber. Magpipickle tayo ng cucumber, and then we'll just slow cook our Wagyu steak with just salt, pepper, and soy sauce. So very Japanese. Okay? So simple lang. So we'll begin with doing our pickled cucumber. So what we'll do is get a sharp knife, and then we'll slice our cucumber medyo manipis. So all of this have been pre-washed. See? Okay, so thinly sliced. Okay. See? Nipis lang, oh. Ganun lang, oh. Nice, diba? Okay. See? Paper thin. And then I'll put it in the container. Make sure separated lang siya. Medyo manipis. See? Ganda, oh. Nipis. That's why you need a very sharp knife to achieve this. Pag hindi sharp yung knife mo, mahirap gawin to, eh. No? So, yan, no? And then, what we'll do is, we'll try to extract the liquid from the cucumber by putting some salt. Na pag nilagyan mo na siyang salt, magsasweat yan. Lalabas yung ano niya, yung pinaka liquid niya. And then i-drain natin mamaya. So I want it with a lid. Para pag nilagyan mo na siyang salt. Yan. Okay. Yan. Hado mo lang ganun. Yan. Sagol-sagol. With the salt. Okay. Tama, lumalabas ka agad yung liquid niya. Isa-sweat siya kaagad. So that's the way to do it, no? Tapos kuha ko sa pang nalalagyan. Okay. With this paper, i-drain natin yung liquid na nandun sa cucumber. Okay. So, ganun lang. Pigayin mo lang siya. See that? Lagay ko lang muna dito. And then, let me just quickly wash this para mawala yung salt niya. Okay. Okay. So, drain natin yung liquid na nandun sa cucumber. Ngayon naman, titimplahan na natin yung cucumber natin. Ipipickle na natin siya. So, pag pickle yan, simple lang. Get some vinegar, yung maasim talaga. Asim. Let's put a little. Yun. Okay. And then, bigyan natin ng konting soy sauce. Just a little soy sauce. Yan. Okay. Cover it. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng sesame seed oil. There you go. Sarap ng flavor nito. And then, siyempre, konting para medyo to balance the sourness of pickle. Yung salt niya, para balance sila yan ng konting sweetener. We're using this maple syrup. There, just like that. Then, ng konting parsley. Okay. Parsley and some thyme. Hindi lang. And just to flavor it. Yun. So we'll mix this. Yan. And then lagyan natin ng sesame seeds. Just like that. Okay. Wow. Good. Okay, let's keep it. And then, doon tayo sa Wagyu natin. So when you cook your Wagyu, you want it really dry. So i-dry mo siya with a paper cloth, with a paper towel. Yun. Huh? And then, yung Wagyu, alam mo, you know, Wagyu steak is so rich. Kahit malakas ka kumain ng steak, isang ganito, isang tao hindi niya mahirap ubusin kasi nakakaumay. No, so that's very dry. See? Nice. What I'll do is just slice my Wagyu steak. I'll slice it into the 3. Yan. So ito, this is my serving. Okay, lagyan natin siya ng salt, pepper, and a little of soy sauce. Okay. Salty ko man. Masarap yung Japanese na soy sauce. Masarap ng flavor niya for the steak. Yeah, good. So salt. Just like that. Okay. And our skillet's ready. Okay. So we'll cook our steak. There you go. Nice. So there's no need for oil kasi very fat yung fat content ng Wagyu steak. But they say that the fat content of the Wagyu steak is on the healthy side. No? Hindi siya yung bad cholesterol. They say it's good cholesterol. Kasi yun daw yung breed ng cow. Ganun daw talaga yung fat nila. Okay? Sige. Beauty. So you want to cook your Wagyu steak na medium rare only. Ayaw mo siyang i-overcook. In fact, when you cook your Wagyu steak, gusto mo na almost rare yung gitna niya. So tawag doon blue, no? It's just warm. No, medyo warm na ng konti yung meat niya sa loob. And so this how we're going to cook our Wagyu steak. Just like that. Okay. Good. Just like that. Okay, enough na yan. So we let it rest. The rest of the steak, lutuin na rin natin. Okay. Okay. And while we're cooking this, lilinisin ko na itong table ko. Okay. Turn it. So when you cook Wagyu steak, hindi mo kailangan na high heat kagad siya. Medium heat lang. So you slowly cook the steak. On the side. Perfect. There you go. Perfect. Get a plate. Minimalist lang yung look ng serving natin. Very Japanese. So at this point, okay na to. No? Okay. Then we let this rest. Nice. Goodie. That's the way to cook your Wagyu steak. So ngayon, itong isang steak na to, yung una natin niluto na ka-rest na to, I'm going to serve it here. And then yung pickles natin, yung pinickle natin na cucumber. Put it on the side. Ayan. Itsura niya. Yan ang itsura niya. Sabi nga ng mga friends ko na bading tsura mo lang. Here's your Wagyu steak and pickled cucumber salad. So let's try our Miyazaki Wagyu steak with the pickled cucumber salad. Yeah. Nice. It's got a steak. That's the way to cook your Wagyu steak. Up. Soy salad. Lasang mayaman. Lasang mayaman talaga. One more. Grabe, this steak is so soft. It really melts in your mouth. It's so tasty. Wow. Perfect with the cucumber salad, oh. Galing. Nakachamba tayo dito. Ang sarap. Thank you for staying with me, and I hope you'll do this in your kitchen. Serve this with your friends and your family. Enjoy the food that you cook, and always cook it with love. Okay? So this is Richard Gomez, right here in Goma. Please like, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo pag meron tayong bagong video na palabas. I'll see you soon. Bye. One more. Isang ganun mo lang na knife, putol ka agad, oh. Sakto yung taste na, no? Yung konti lang soy sauce, and then a little salt, may pepper. Perfect. Really good. Bye.